Methodist School. Giving some love back. So Jubilee's Foundation just decided to give some love back for students at Airport Methodist, volleyball students and church attendees. So we just wanted to reward the students about you're doing good, you get rewarded. If you're doing bad, you get reprimand. So this is a good gesture by Jubilee Foundation. So I just want to highlight that for good people in the community. Alright. Ready?
Maybe because you want the cupcakes.
Alright.
Yeah, shot at his teeth.
Next we have care packages. Right there, care packages. And just so you know, Jubilee Foundation, this is Miss Ella Kanaki and her family just giving back from her own pocket. No fundraising. This is her own money. So she just want to feature that today. Alright. So we'll just have a word from the I know it's Valentine's season. The day from today is Valentine's. So, you ready on this? You ready on that? Miss, tell us about this gesture here today.
Well, this is a form of motivation for our students to let them know that do good things come your way. So our girls volleyball are champs for the town zone. They represented us well. We're extremely proud of them, and so Miss Ella offered to give them a little token to treat them for Valentine's, right? So what you see here are our babies enjoying a delicious plate of rice and beans, stew chicken, salad. They get a little token from Miss Ella and also a delicious cupcake. So these children also comprise of those who have attended church services regularly. You know, we want to continue to motivate them, inspire them, draw them closer to God, and so this is what we have here today, a little give back to our students.
Thank you very much. That's all I wanted to ask today. And as you can see, it's well put together. They have all the treats. They have the cupcakes right here. Again, they also have these care packages. So everybody coming to school smelling sweet, smelling good. Lotion up, nobody come to school, ferret. So this is all good. Alright, so again I want to just want to highlight these Jubilee Foundation for making it possible and for us to showcase it. Good things all the time, right? So I gotta go. It was a pleasure being here at airport. I'm not going all the time, but cannot invite me.
The best school in Nambriga, you know. The best school in Nambriga. Which is the best school in Nambriga?
Anyway, you see how they win one volleyball thing, I saw I get to the head. You saw one volleyball tournament make they get to the head, ladies and gentlemen, but it's good. When you win, you get treated. So again, I want to say thanks again, and goodbye, ladies and gentlemen, and have a wonderful evening. Alright? I don't know where they're live. Are we live or not live? Live. Why? Huh? You can see? Are we live right now? I don't go live. Alright. See, son, they kids like to shush, miss. They like to shush, so I gotta go. Okay, thank you very much, alright? Say bye to your parents now. Bye, everybody. Bye.